Happy birthday to you. And thanks to a recent ruling, I can't get sued now. I'm Jeremiah Craig of the royalty-free music website Due North Audio, and this is Royalty Free Review. Maybe I didn't realize it before, but the song Happy Birthday to You was copyrighted and regularly brought in over $2 million a year to the copyright owners, which were Warner and Chappelle. So every time Happy Birthday to You was sung on television or in movies or in some public performance, they got paid. But to end a lawsuit that has been taking place for a couple of years now, arguing that the copyright to Happy Birthday to You was invalid, a judge ruled just that. And now Happy Birthday to You can be sung freely by everyone, at least in the United States. So far, they still need to figure some things out. You see, Happy Birthday to You was based on another song called Good Morning to All, written by Patty and Mildred Hill in 1893. Soon the words changed to Happy Birthday to You after their students started singing it that way. And the Hill Sisters publishing company, Sumiko, finally copyrighted Happy Birthday to You as a song in 1935. Then in 1988, Warner and Chappelle bought the Birch Tree Group, which was a successor of Sumiko, and with that purchase came the rights of the song Happy Birthday to You. Or so they thought, anyways. In 2013, filmmaker Jennifer Nelson and her team filed suit against Warner and Chappelle, claiming that the copyright for Happy Birthday to You was invalid. She did this because she's making a documentary about the Happy Birthday song, covering its past and where it may go in the future. Then in July of this year, Nelson and her lawyers found new evidence that the Happy Birthday to You song was published in 1922 without a notification of copyright, which, based on copyright laws of the time, makes the song public domain. Even if it had been copyrighted in 1922, current copyright law states that anything before 1923 is officially in the public domain. So it wasn't looking good for Warner and Chappelle going into this lawsuit with that new evidence, but neither of those reasons are the reason why the copyright was found to be invalid. Judge George King found that when Warner Chappelle purchased the Birch Tree Group, the original copyright for the song was only for different arrangements and not for the arrangements with the Happy Birthday to You lyrics. Therefore, the copyright was found to be invalid. There are some countries right now where the copyright may still apply, but in the meantime, Warner and Chappelle are reviewing their options to try and keep the rights to Happy Birthday to You, as you can imagine. I mean, just think about how much money it brings in every year. But they won't have much time to do that, unfortunately, since the next step in this lawsuit is to return all of the royalties that anyone has ever paid to Warner Chappelle since 1988 for using the Happy Birthday song in their movies, television shows, performances, anything. At an average of $2 million a year, Warner Chappelle may have to pay out over $54 million to people who have used their song and paid royalties. We'll see if that actually happens, but in the meantime, enjoy the new freedom of Happy Birthday to You song, since it is finally part of the public domain. I'll see you next time on Royalty Free Review. Thanks for watching.